Hey, it's me, Carline, anglade-cole. And last week I did a video where I just decided, you know what, I was feeling out of control, that things were getting kind of crazy, and I just needed to try to get my control back. And I decided to just go for it and run as much as I could. And I ended up running 10 miles, which was mind-blowing to me because the most I've ever run was a 10K which was 6.2 miles. So that was awesome. Share the experience with you. Thank you all for your positive feedback. I really appreciate it. So today is Thursday, May 27th. It is 6:09 a.m. And I got up this morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, about an hour normally than I do. But I woke up this morning, my head was so clear. I had so much energy. I'd taken off a couple of days just to unwind and reboot myself. And I just feel totally rebooted. And I got this morning and I said, you know, what was stopping me? I did 10 miles. That was pretty awesome. But was that the most I could possibly do? What really was preventing me from doing more? And I thought about it and I said, well, number one was time. I only allowed myself 2 hours maximum on my schedule to do it. So I knew I had a limitation there. It wasn't that I was tired. I mean, I was tired, but it wasn't like I was completely out of energy. The other thing that I think really just kind of stopped me was just here mentally. You know, I just thought, okay, 10 miles is the goal. So I'm going to reach the goal and then I'm going to stop. And I thought, well, what if I just take away that mental block? What can I do? What can I do? So this morning seemed to be the perfect time. You know, I have a pretty clear morning schedule. I have an amazing session coming up with my Crazy Copy System live mentoring show, which I have every Thursdays from 1 to 3 with my awesome class. And today we have Bon Halbert speaking, so I'm really excited about that. So that's not till 1 o'clock though. I really have cleared my whole morning to say, I have nothing else going on until I get ready for this show. So this was like perfect day to say, okay, well, maybe I could do something today. You know, my mind feels refreshed. My body feels good. I've only walked this week. I haven't done any strenuous exercises. I just did a Lindsey Brim runner's stretch, and she kicks my butt in that workout, which is awesome. So I did a stretch. I feel good. In my mailbox right now, I have, let me show you. I put I don't know if you can see my mailbox. Oh, here it is. I've got rest of my drink that I have, my morning drink that I have. I didn't finish all of it, but I kept it in there. I have a bottled water, and I have some nuts hiding back here, as well as more paper towels, because I sweat a lot. So I thought, you know what? Today's going to be it. I didn't tell anybody. No pressure, whether it works or not. But today, I thought, what would be a cool goal? And I'm like, I have never even entertained the idea of running a half marathon, 13.2 miles. I never even thought that was something that I could do. But once I broke that 10-mile barrier, I'm like, I'm invincible, right? I can do whatever I want. I got to put my mind to it, get my body right, and get it going. So this is the body, whoosh, trying to get it right. And so right now, I'm going to take you with me on this journey because you were there with me when I started. So I am going to start in a few minute or so, and I'm going to see if I can make it to do a half marathon today. All right, you'll go with me on this. So what I will do, I didn't even tell my cousin Sandy I was doing this. This is crazy. I didn't even tell her. So I got Michelle Obama scheduled to go on my ears. If Sandy calls me during a workout, I'll pick it up from there and talk with her. If not, I'm going to keep on going, and I'm going to take you with me. So I'll stop periodically and give you updates. But let's just do this, okay? Let's just do this together, okay? Okay, I am going to start. I don't know what time it is right now. I've lost track of time. Oops, I messed up. I cut off the video. Sorry, I was checking the time. I cut the video off. All right, it is 6:15 a.m. And I'm going to just do maybe a short, I'm not even going to warm up because I did warm up earlier. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started right now. I'll talk with you later. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's only 6:23 a.m. and I realized the first 0.2 miles that I ran, I forgot to start my timer. Oh, but that's okay. I started it. I'm starting it from now and gonna just keep on going. I thought I had to share that moment with you because I was like, But anyway, I'm going. Look at that beautiful sunrise happening in the behind me. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Okay, see ya. Okay, I am at 1 hour. We're almost at 5 miles. That first mile was a killer. I almost stopped. I said, oh my goodness, what am I doing? This hurts. I'm out of shape. But I pushed on and kept on going. Second mile got better. By the third mile, it was great. Good morning. How's the puppy doing? He's busy. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Sorry, my neighbor got a new puppy. So anyway, like I said, by the third mile, it was great. I felt like a high kicking in. That was good. So I am at 5 miles and like I said, feeling pretty good. So we shall see. I will give you an update. I'll probably, when I get back down to the mailbox, I probably will get like a swig of water. That's really, my mouth feels a little cottony. I did get some protein because I know for sure I sucked in at least 2 bugs when I was breathing heavy. But I ate them anyway, protein. So, like I said, I will check in with you. Look at the beautiful sky. Love it. Feels great out here. Weather's perfect. Perfect day. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I am 2 hours into the run, about 9.4 miles. It started raining a little earlier. I'm going, oh no, there was no rain in the forecast. So it drizzled for a few minutes, but I kept through it, didn't stop. And so my legs are starting to hurt. Pelvic floor, I started coughing and that area, definitely feel it in my hips. But besides that, feeling pretty good. Been talking to my cousin Sandy on the phone. Then my daughter Milan called. So we're having a 3-way conversation on the phone. And so that was nice. But next time I talk to you, you will find out if I made it or not. Okay? 9.5. I'm not stopping when I hit the 10. I'm not stopping. I will not stop. Gonna meet my goal. Talk to you later. I got to 11.01 miles. And then I hit a wall. I had to stop. I had no energy left. I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta go. I gotta stop or I'm gonna pass out. Felt sick and I want to pass out. So I think I actually did push it to my max today. So didn't make 13.5, but I did make 11.01. And I feel like I really did push myself to the limit. So, am I successful? Oh, heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah. We'll try another day to reach my, or maybe not, but I did get it. So I'm going to stand up, and take a victory bow. Woohoo! I surpassed my goal. Well, surpassed my last landmark of 10 to 11.01 miles. I definitely got to have some kind of carb or something with me next time to just have to fuel, because like I said, ran. It was like nothing left in the tank and nothing left. So, okay, this is part 2. I will let you know if I ever make it to my goal. But you can make it to your goal. Just keep going until you can't go no more.